Creating a Discord bot in Python with the ability to download audio from a YouTube video and send it as an MP3 file involves a few steps. Here's a brief explanation of the process. 1. Begin by setting up a virtual environment for your bot project and installing the necessary dependencies such as Discord, Pi, and YouTube DL. 2. Import the required modules in your Python script. 3. Set up and authenticate your bot on the Discord developer portal to obtain a token. 4. Write the command function for your bot, which will handle the DL command input. Inside this function, use the YouTube DL library to download the audio from the provided YouTube link. 5. Convert the downloaded audio file to MP3 format using a library like PyDub. 6. Finally, send the converted MP3 file to the Discord channel using the bot's send file function. Remember, this is a simplified explanation, and you may need to do additional research and coding to achieve the desired functionality.